making a couple of moves and
Retrieve the wheel assembly from issue 69. Insert the front left wheel rim 69A into the front left rain tire 72A. Place the front left rain wheel and tire 69A and 72A on the tire rack. Keep the front left wheel axle 72B and nut 72C aside for a later stage of assembly. Slide the LED plate of the rain light wire 73C into the highlighted slot in the rear body section 68A. Make sure to route the rest of the wire through the interior, toward the front of the assembly. Place the sponge 73D into the rear body section 68A as shown in the image. Slide the rain light panel 73B down into the outermost slot on the rear body section 68A. Position the cover 73A over the highlighted pivots on the rear body section 68A, then secure it using one W screw. Join the Heave damper top 74A and Heave damper bottom 74B and secure them using 2/8 screws. Position the Heave damper linkage plates 74E as well the left and right rear damper lower mounts 74C and 74D on the side tabs of the Heave damper top 74A. Secure the assembly with 2/8 screws. Place the rear suspension support 74F over the left and right rear damper lower mounts 74C and 74D. Then install the left 74G and right 74H rear rockers as shown in the image. Fit the assembly of the Heave damper bottom 74B and the left 74G and right 74H rear rockers onto the highlighted area at the rear of the body 68A. Secure the rear suspension support 74F using 2/8 screws. From the opposite side, secure the Heave damper to the rear shock absorber box 67F using 1/8 screw.